How to add chapters in YouTube description time steps guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to YT Studio, or you guys can go to YouTube app in your mobile phone or computer. Once we go that, we will simply select the video that we want to add timestamp of. So for example, I want to add timestamps of that video, so I will simply click on share. Now I will copy that video link. After that, I will go to Google Chrome or any browser you can go. Here you guys will simply search for transcript. So once you search for transcript, here you guys can see YouTube to transcript. Simply click on that website. Once we click on that website, here you guys will wait for some seconds to do the verification. So once we do the robot verification, after that you guys will simply paste your YouTube video link. Now click on get free transcript. Here we will wait for 4 or 5 seconds. Now here you guys can see copy timestamp. So simply turn on timestamp. Once we turn on timestamp, we will simply copy that. Once we copy that, simply go to YouTube video description. So I will simply go to YouTube video description. Now click on edit. Once we click on edit, here you guys will simply see description. Simply click here. Now paste that. Once we paste that, after that back, and once you save it, when you go to your YouTube video description, you guys will see timestamps and you guys can see the chapters etc. For example, I want to chapters to that video, so I will simply write chapter name, and after that I will select this timestamp. For example, I want to add chapter from 1 to 30 seconds, so I will simply go to 30 seconds, and here I will give space and write the chapter name, and that's how you guys can do that. So thanks for watching.